Since you clicked this video, I bet you have felt like me before. However, since I'm doing 365-day drawing challenges, I managed to get rid of these feelings for a while. So today, CTclockwises channel will give you just about 1-minute teaching video, so you can just applying these tips right after watching. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First tip is to watch motivational YouTube video. I normally listen to podcasts of Draw with Jasa, Happy the Artist, Artists of Life, and many artists who share their experiences and how they achieve where they are right now. Second is to switch between tasks. For instance, you might go for a walk, exercise, or take a bath first, so you might get some inspirations while doing these tasks. Third is to release your feeling when you are overwhelmed. My effective way is to write all of my feelings down on the paper or just talk to someone so that I feel better. Fourth is to have a pile of ideas stored when you are inspired so that you can use those for artblock time. My favorite app that I use to collect all the ideas is called Trello. The fifth point is that when you feel good about your drawing, don't forget to write all of your positive feelings and appreciation on some notebook or application so that you can read these to regain confidence when you don't feel good about yourself. That's it for today. If you want more short and concise tips like this, please consider pressing thumbs up and subscribing to my channel and click the bell. All of my personal work can be seen mainly on Instagram and Facebook under the name CTclockwises. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!